we will incorporate this in our own application. So you can fully expect us to, obviously, every product of Microsoft will have some of the same AI capabilities to completely transform the product.
To jump right into it, let's talk about artificial intelligence.
Hello, Science Maniatics, and welcome to today's exciting video. Today, we are going to talk about the latest development in the technology world, Microsoft's integration of ChatGPT into its search engine, Bing, and its web browser, Edge. Bing was first introduced by Microsoft in 2009 as a replacement for its previous search engine, Live Search. Since then, Bing has been continuously updated and improved to offer more advanced and relevant search results to its users. Microsoft Edge, formerly known as Internet Explorer, has been around since 1995 and was first introduced as part of Windows 95. The original version of Edge was replaced with a new browser based on the Chromium open-source project in 2020. This is a massive milestone for Microsoft, and we're here to discuss all the details and what it means for the future of technology. Let's start with a brief overview. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella announced plans to integrate the latest AI-powered technology, ChatGPT, into Bing, which currently has a market share of around 9%. Satya Narayana Nadella has been with the company since 1992 and has held several key leadership positions across several divisions, including business, cloud, and enterprise services. Before becoming CEO in 2014, Nadella served as the Executive Vice President of Microsoft's Cloud and Enterprise Group. Under his leadership, the company's cloud services, including Microsoft Azure, grew significantly. Nadella holds a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from Manipal Institute of Technology, India, a master's degree in computer science from the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee, and a master's degree in business administration from the University of Chicago. Throughout his career, Nadella has been recognized for his contributions to the technology industry and has received several awards and honors. He is also a regular speaker at industry events and conferences, where he shares his insights on technology and leadership. The market share of search engines refers to the percentage of internet searches conducted through a particular search engine compared to the total number of internet searches. According to Statista, as of 2021, Google commands roughly 90% of the market. Not only that, but the new Bing will also be able to answer a wide range of questions about current topics, news, train schedules, and product pricing, making it a much more robust and useful tool. The new Bing search engine is powered by OpenAI's large language model, which is even faster, more accurate, and more capable than its predecessor. It offers more relevant results for common queries, such as sports scores, stock prices, and weather, and even provides a sidebar with additional in-depth information if needed. Now let's talk about the Edge browser. Microsoft has updated the browser with new AI capabilities and a sleek new look. The Edge sidebar now allows users to ask for a summary of a lengthy report, ask for comparisons to other companies' financials, and even help with composing a LinkedIn post. The AI technology even updates the tone, format, and length of the post to help users create the best content possible. This is just the beginning for Microsoft and ChatGPT. Nadella stated in a CNBC interview that AI will fundamentally change every software category, starting with the largest category of all, search. In the technology industry, a software category refers to a specific class or type of software applications that serve a particular purpose or perform a certain function. Some examples of software categories include productivity software such as word processors or spreadsheet programs, multimedia software for creating and editing audio and video, and operating systems. Other examples include security software such as antivirus programs, gaming software, and database management software. The software category a particular program falls into helps to define its features, capabilities, and target audience. This integration is a major step forward in Microsoft's mission to bring AI to the forefront of technology. So that's it for today's video on Microsoft's integration of ChatGPT into Bing and Edge. Before we end, let's take a moment to think about the future of AI in technology. How will the integration of AI into search engines change the way we search for information online? Will AI-powered search engines eventually take over traditional search engines like Google? What other areas of technology do you think AI will revolutionize in the future? How will the integration of AI into web browsers change the way we use the internet? What ethical considerations must be taken into account when using AI technology? How do you see this being used with Web 3.0? Thank you for watching today's video. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. As always, we're here to bring you the latest in science and technology, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. See you next time, Science Maniatics!